Everyone, very good evening and welcome back to Achievers British Academy. In this hour we are going to discuss some vocab part. Vocabulary is very important and it plays very vital role in any language, whether we are talking about English, French, Japanese or Hindi. क्योंकि हमें कोई भी लैंग्वेज यूज करना है तो दिस इज द बैकबोन ऑफ English or backbone of any language. So vocabulary is plays a very vital part or this is the backbone of any language, whether we are talking about French, if we are talking with each other in French or Japanese or Hindi or English. So vocab is the backbone of English. So in this session we are talking about the English. So we will discuss about the English vocabulary. So vocabulary का this is the best way. You अपनी आप normal life में just put normal vocabulary in your normal routine. So that this is the best way to improve your vocabulary. And today in this hour we are going to discuss some vocab part. So we will do some vocab practice. So please. More vocab, bake मतलब सीखना. Concocted means मनगढ़ंत करना. Miraculous means चमत्कार होना, कुछ चमत्कार हो जाना. Miraculous. Rumors means मतलब अफवाह, किसी चीज की अफवाह फैलाना. Disasters means मुसीबत. Prominent मतलब महत्वपूर्ण. Eminent मतलब मशहूर. Prodigal means खर्चीला. Prodigal means खर्चीला. Versatile means कई गुणों वाला. He is versatile actor. Familiar means जाना पहचाना. He is familiar face. Ample means काफी. I am just giving you ample of example or ample of example or you can better understand. Diplomatic means चालाक होना. एक positive diplomacy is there and negative diplomacy. So always be positive diplomatic. Shun means त्यागना. Shun. Various मतलब कई प्रकार के, जैसे there are various categories of classes. Class A, Class B, Class C. There are various class of network. Entire means सारा का सारा. जैसे just noted down the entire session. Delighted means बहुत खुश. Today I am very much delighted. बहुत खुश होना. Delighted means बहुत खुश होना. Then next है essence means सार किसी चीज का. सार essence. A-double-S-E-N-C-E. Essence means किसी चीज का सार. Mean मतलब मतलबी. मतलब mean. He is very mean person. वह बहुत मतलबी आदमी है. Crazy means पागलपन. Crazy. He is very crazy about it. Sociable means समझदार में. Social means जो सोशल में रहता हो, जो समाज में रहता हो, सामाजिक टाइप का हो, उसे हम sociable कहते हैं. Chicken hearted means बहुत डरपोक. He got very chicken hearted. He got chicken heart. So very बहुत ज्यादा डरपोक है. Rhythm, सुर, rhythm. सुर मतलब सुर. He is in rhythm. Orient means पूर्व दिशा. Futile means बेकार. Futile. Vital means बहुत जरूरी. Passion means जोश. Passionate about it. Appreciate means तारीफ करना. Irresponsible means don't give this responsibility to him because he is very irresponsible person. Split means तोड़ना. Don't split in two parts. Cream means बहुत अच्छा. जैसे IITians are creamy student. Cream student. Discard means छोड़ना. Amazing शानदार. Amazing shot. Vast बहुत बड़ा. Constantly means लगातार. Exotic means विदेशी. Adopt means गोद लेना. किसी को adopt करना. जैसे हम किसी चाइल्ड को adopt कर लेते हैं, कोई किसी चाइल्ड को adopt कर लेता है तो उसको क्या कहते हैं? गोद लेना. Violate means कानून तोड़ना. Violence means किसी चीज कानून तोड़ना. Interrupt means किसी चीज में दखलंदाजी देना. This person is always interrupting. So conflict means वाद विवाद. Don't put yourself in conflict. Distinct means औरों से अलग. Distinct means औरों से अलग. Prefer means किसी को प्रायोरिटी देना, प्रेफरेंस देना. Prefer means ज्यादा महत्व देना. Overhear means छिपकर सुनना. So thank you very much. We'll come again next session. Subscribe the channel please and comment it, like the channel. I'll come with the next session and right button में क्लिक करना ना भूलें. जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम.